Welcome everyone to Do It Yourself Ayame Cape Accessory. I will be showing you how to make the claws, jewelry pieces that she had on her cape. So I'm going to lower the camera down. I've never used polymer clay before, so this is going to be my first time ever using this. So for this, I thought I had a big enough needle to actually make a hole. I do not, because I do not have leather needles. So this is going to be a little bit more of a trickier process than I thought now to get the piece done the way I want it to. Alright, so I got this scooply. Sorry, I don't know the proper saying of this, but if you see there, I got this at Hobby Lobby for $2.49, and it comes with four slits, so you have 4 pieces of clay to work here with. So I only need one piece. So I don't have a cutting blade. I only have this. So I'm gonna go in here and cut a block, because I've watched enough videos that said basically you just need one block for a lot of things you're gonna be doing. So hopefully I just need enough one block for this. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through here. I'll lower the camera down while I cut, because I need to make 3 pieces here. Alright, so I got the pieces cut out, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to start circling them. Luckily this does not dry out quickly, but I have watched other videos saying that if you basically cure it or play with it for so long, it starts hardening. So I gotta be very careful that this does not happen, because I gotta get this in the shape and everything. So I gotta be very careful. Alright, now since I got my ball shape, I need to pinch it. But still keep the ball shape in the top area though. Because I gotta make sure it still stays a ball, but I gotta pinch it out a little bit to make a claw mark here. Well, make it look like it's a claw hanging down. So I'm gonna shape it real well. I kind of worked around with air clay, so it helps a little. And this, and what I have read up and everything, watched videos on this, don't have to be stored in water or nothing. Just a really cool place for this to sit at, so it does not harden. So I just need to make this come down a little bit more as a claw and a more of a point. I'm going to use this knife to kind of smooth it out a little bit as much as I can. So it looks really nice. Don't have no rough edges or anything like that. So, there we go. Alright, so there's my first claw. And alright, so if I can find my so if I can find my tool I just had here. Sorry guys, this is my first video in a while. Oh, there it is. Okay, since I don't have a needle, I actually found a screwdriver that is big enough. So I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna gently screw it through. The reason why I'm screwing this all the way through is this way hopefully I'll have enough room to slide my threads, my cord I got over here beside me. Actually, I will show you in a second. I picked all this stuff up at Hobby Lobby, so that's how. So you should be able to see straight through your hole. And so I'm gonna make this a little bit more of a pointed tip and smooth that down a little more. we go. So, yep. So there we go. So that's how it's going to hang. Alright, so now, if I made a hole big enough, this should slip right through with ease. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here just a little bit on the edge. Encase it a little. There we go. Alright, so got that. Now, with my third, so what I'm going to do is since the middle piece was a little bit bigger, a little bit wider, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this piece here, and I'm going to size that piece down. There we go. And so, scraps are your best friend, are your best friends. So I'm going to, so if this is not big enough, I can add a little bit more of the polymer clay. So it's the right size. So now I just gotta go through here and pinch and pull, pinch and pull. That's all I gotta do really, is just do a little bit of a pinch and a pull, a little bit of an arch. Make sure it's gonna be matching exactly the same way as this one. So I'm using this one. I'm using the other one. So say like if it don't come out the way I wanted it to, I'll just go back through, make it a ball again. And I just go down here, keep the back in as much as I can. Go through here and go out and work on it, but I need to keep the ball shape. Ball. Sorry, I get very nervous when I do this. So I go through here and there we go. Now I'm getting what I was needing in the first place. Yay! Sorry for that thinging. Yeah, so I got a piece of me right now so I can kind of see how I need it to look. Alright, so I'm about got it shaped the way I need it to. So there we go. It looks almost like a little bird skull. I love making them. May not be perfect, but it's close enough is what I can get. And I'm going to get back through. So this way. Alright. Like I said, I'm going to close it off just a hair so it's not too big of a hole. There we go. Alright, so number 3 is done. Now down to the third one here. So I'm going to smooth out in, make sure it's fully smooth and everything before I go to start pinching the piece I need done. And there we go. Third piece is done, and that's all I actually need for this whole for the whole cape accessory. And again, process using this screw here to penetrate it. Well, to basically make the hole. And I'm gonna go back through, go back in with my cord. So like if I can't go through that way with it, I'm gonna go through here. And for some reason it does not want me to go through. Let me see if I can find something that's little tiny little something, and then I'll use one of my needles here. This will be perfect for me to go in there and smooth out the hole a little bit. So there we go. Put these up today, so I'm gonna use this to kind of smooth the inside. I see a little bit of the problem. There's like a little notch in there, so I'm gonna go into the hole here, and I'm going to basically, there we go. That should smooth it out enough where this should be able to slide straight through now. And there we go. Like I said, I'm going to go on the sides here and just close it a little bit. There we go. So I got 2 big ones and 1 little one to go right in the middle of the piece. And this little block here is going to be tiny little beads. So I'm going to cut 3 little beads. So I can actually use it to make a little piece to go right in the middle of my pieces so they don't all slide together. There we go. So once this clay dries really well and everything, this piece will be able to slide right in, no problem. But yeah, so this is how you can do like a little bead. So, but I'm really not going to use this, but I'm going to do this. I'm going to pinch this together, pinch it back onto the bag here, the remaining clay, And the remaining clay is going to be sewed back up and put away until another day. So I hope you guys don't mind not being able to see me much, but it's so the whole piece is done. Later on, after I get everything baked and stuff and added on, I will show you guys how this looks. Bye.